Some little tips and tricks. We'll open up Traffic Master grip strip boxes and then how to cut the tile. So what I'm going to show you is I cut down both ends pretty close to the end. And then across the front, I take it and I fold it under. It's out of my way. Now, I don't care that it's upside down. How do I cut it? Well, you can use a speed square, like so, or you can mark it, like so. Then take your razor knife, just score it across the top. Guess what? It breaks just like drywall. If you want to cut a circle or a long piece, use a pair of snips. And you can go all the way around. You can also use that on the floor vents or other places that you need to cut. A pair of snips. That ought to help you. See ya.